Bread-Vlogmas day 21. Oh my gosh. We are so close, guys. Yay! Anyways, just chilling for a little bit. Probably I'm about to get up on my bed. I got up a few minutes ago. And it's around 11, so yes. So I'll see you guys later. Oh, that's not my phone, by the way. Before. But I was just looking and exploring it. Okay, so I'm gonna edit Vlogmas Day 20. I started Vlogmas Day 21 already, so that's good. And I'll see you guys in a few hours. Not a few hours, but I'll see you guys later. So, the vlog is currently uploading, if y'all can see that, or processing, I should say. So it's currently processing and it's currently blurry, so you can't see it. That is perfect. That's nice. Come on, I won't do this. Come on. And anyways, just watching the Vlogmas video. Focusing. Anyways, it is processing. There we go, it is focused. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, no, it was right there. Okay, now it's focused. Yeah, it's processing. So it's gonna be up soon. It should be up by the time y'all watching this. You would hope. You would hope. No, it should. So yes. I'll hold the camera up there. So yeah, Courtney washes the Reynolds Vlogmas when this processes. And yes. So I'll see you guys in the next. This made these monkey breads and it's blowing. And there we go.
Strange. Oh, you gotta pick it with your fork.
You wanna ask Mom? Oh yeah. Daddy, you can't have this. And then you're blowing for some reason. See? There we go. Now you're clear. Now you're focused. Here's pizza and Daddy, that's it. You ate. Good go. Well, hello guys. Oops, what was that? Hi. Okay, so this is Vlogmas Day 21. I'm thinking about editing it tonight because I do not think I will have time to edit tomorrow. Because tomorrow I need to like get ready, makeup, hair. Because tomorrow we're having like a family Christmas. For my mom's side, so that's happening tomorrow. So that's why I don't want to. That's why I don't want to edit tomorrow morning because I'm worried I'm gonna die. So that's a problem. But hey, I think it'll be okay. I think it'll be good because I can decide it tonight before I take a shower. So yeah, and I might be in this vlog like right now. Might be another short one, but tomorrow will definitely be a long one. Turn on. Did y'all hear that? Yeah, so I'm gonna start editing this vlog that you watch right now. So I don't have to worry about editing tomorrow morning. I can just start Vlogmas Day 20. It will upload it, of course. Then start Vlogmas 22. 22, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, we are so close. And I didn't. Whoa. The little stringy thing, like kept. Whoa, shit. Sorry, you guys. Okay? You okay? Anyways. Wait, yeah. After this vlog, I'm gonna edit, take a shower. Oh, we're expecting our cousins to come. They're probably gonna come late because I don't know when they're home. Like how far they are from my house, like our house. So. But we are expecting. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys, but my uncle Brian and Aunt Susan. Yes. So yes, tomorrow should be an awesome. Tomorrow should be an awesome, fun time, and I would definitely vlog it. Anyway, hopefully it'll be a more interesting vlog. So yeah, okay. So how long have I been ranting?